Fizz. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. I had to back up to give you that. Na, 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 na. Good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day and we're in the streets with my rugrats.
One.
Sarah, say morning, Fizz. Where are we going? Sarah is going to? Yeah! Sarah have school this morning, free paper bun for Sarah. Tala have one more week at home. But Sarah free paper bun today.
The bus.
Yes, we're waiting on the bus. The bus soon come, okay? She loved the bus. So that's what's up right now. We're waiting on the bus. Papa is gone to work. Papa is out of town today, so Papa up early and head out. So I'm taking Sarah to school, and then Tala and I spend some time at the library and just roaming around town, get some stuff done before we head back home. So have a good day, stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, stay encouraged, love you guys, and enjoy the rest of today's vloggy vlog. One down, one to go. I dropped my girl and this one ain't going nowhere. I dropped Sarah at school. I'm not even running to catch this tram.
Mom, I want to show you something that's on the window of that game.
Okay, drop Sarah at school and now I get to spend some one-time with my baby boy. Where you want to go?
I just want to
The game store?
yes, but it's not too. Oh, but this one game I will show you.
Naruto? Yeah, but what kind of game is that? He's too funny. You look scared. No, man.
It makes me work. I must oh no! Stop.
You're afraid of swings. Look.
Oh, yeah.
This boy is so funny. You have to focus and hold on tight.
Okay, I'm holding on as tight as I can. Hold it too tight. I am stuck.
Go down. Look, go down. There's a step to go down. No, but you go down on the outside. There's a cord. Umba. Down? Yes. Can you come down on the step thing? Yes. Come under the cord with your head. No. Listen to me. Put your foot here. Come under the cord with your head. Turn and hold on to the to the wood. Turn. Face the wood. Turn around. Yes. There's a step here. Put your foot, one foot under, another foot. You're on. You're so funny.
Whoa!
Why are you holding it like that? Hold it like how you were holding the one up top. Tyler, stop your foolishness. Ça va aller, continue. This boy is killing me with laughter. He said, Mama, it's 30. You're too funny, Ty. You're going up? The park is getting full early in the morning because it's vacation time, so a lot of kids are out here. And this park is huge. It goes all the way down. Take your time. Good job. You did it. Look at Tyler getting over his fear. Look at him, all on his own, going around and calling me and showing me. That's the highest one he's been. You can do it, just like you did the one earlier. Guys, still he's in his element. Look at him in this library. Look at him hunting books. What you found? Yeah, but that's 10 number 6. Look if you find number 1.
Smaller number.
Yes, but you need to start from the beginning. You want to read the number 6?
I will see if I see a number 6.
Look if you see any more. There's T up top. Up. In his comfort zone, this boy. It's been a long, struggling day for me. I'm all over the place today. I've been back home with the kiddos, pick up Sarah from school, been back home, we had lunch, they played, and I'm now preparing some popcorn. You hear it popping? The joy of hearing popcorn pop. The joy of hearing corn pop into popcorn. Yeah, so they're having a little snacky and they're about to watch TV. Yeah, so that's what we're up to. Nothing too special happening right now, but just giving you guys a little update of what our day is going on like. So that's what we're doing. How are you guys? Hopefully you guys are staying safe and is doing well. What am I to make for dinner? I need to also figure out dinner. I took out beef mince. So I have rice and quinoa. So I think all I'm going to do is figure out the vegetable, and then I shall have dinner. Ooh, popcorn smells so good. So good. I love these. I remember growing up as a child in Jamaica when my mom used to work in Kingston and come home every fortnight. Her mom used to bring popcorn and bring for us. But thinking about it now, it's not this popcorn that my mom used to bring. We didn't have a microwave growing up. We didn't have electricity. So my mom used to bring the corn to pop. She used to do it on the stove top and put the butter in the pot and cover the pot, and you used to hear the popcorn popping. And we used to have that on Sunday. Used to be such good memories with my siblings and mommy. Yeah?
Is it true that when you was outside there was no electricity?
There was electricity, but I didn't have any at my house. How I cook? On wood fire. I'm gonna take you to Jamaica one day and you'll see how they cook without electricity. That's something I want Tyler to understand at the age that he is now, because Tyler is at an age where he understands things, he grasps things, he doesn't forget things at this age. So I think our next trip to Jamaica, whenever that is, I'll ensure that Tyler get the deep rural feeling of Jamaica, where there is no pipe water, where there's running water, you have to go to river, where there is no wood, where there's no gas, you have to do wood fire. I want him to get that feel. So my next trip into Jamaica, I'm definitely gonna spend a day or two with my dad. So my brother, so Tyler can get to experience how I grew up, you know, with No running water, no electricity, how you iron your clothes. Even if he don't get to submerge himself into it, I want him like to see what the iron looks like or how they use it, and how the wood fire cook on the wood fire. I want him to experience all that, to bathe outside. He's done it before when he was younger, but he doesn't remember that and he wouldn't understand. So going back to Jamaica the next trip, I can't wait for Tala to experience that. And Sarah too, she probably won't remember, but Tyler definitely at the age for it. Popcorn is ready.
Can you put it in front of, in between us?
Okay. Look at them. Popcorn time. Who's ready for popcorn? So thank you, Mama.
Two.
So thank you. Good girl.
Hi guys. It's the end of it felt like a Monday, no? It felt like a Monday. Yesterday was holiday, so it's the first day
feel like a Sunday.
after the weekend, so it feels like a Monday. This week, this work week, we go fast. Hopefully. So we can go back on the weekend and enjoy the weekend. But the life is not only the weekend. We have to enjoy every day of life. We're not living only on the weekend. Otherwise, that would be what, more than half of your life wasted.
Well, we live most on the weekend.
So you enjoy the week, but you also not to forget that after work there's also life. It's important.
Well,
it's
also,
hard.
you have a lot to do after work too, so
My family, but
sometimes you don't really have the time.
or you just enjoy every little moment, even when you're at work or lunchtime or little break, or it's just
Like these days, I
enjoying
try to
any
take my
moment.
lunchtime and do whatever I want to do. Like I either watch something on Netflix or watch something
Yeah, I
on my
wanted to
phone.
tell you that you have new episode of your things, and then
Of what?
Ultimatum, and then when I went on it and I said, oh, be sure we do watch all of them.
Watch all of those from the first day. I took
No,
one
then
day
you
and
remember
watch
at the
all of
end, it
them.
was one episode that was supposed to be
Yeah,
the
but I
next
watched
week.
that long time from the
I
minute it
realized
come
that.
out.
I realized that. I'd surprise her in case you forget, but it's not the type of thing that
When
she
the
forget.
Asian thing coming,
Me. Bling
I
bling,
watch
something
all
bling
them.
bling. She
I've
like-
been watching Bridgerton, but I'm not a fan of it. But I'm just watching it because when I start a series, I don't like to stop until I finish. So I'm just going through the motions of it. But I'm not a fan. I don't see what the hype is about yet. Maybe I
Right.
need to reach in deep to see what the hype is about.
When I'm listening to her, I'm happy not to be on the journey of Bridgerton.
It's boring. Guys, you know what I'm obsessed with watching? If you want me to
Naruto?
if you want me to be happy, guess what I want? Anything with detective or killer, like solving crime or people
Yeah, you used to watch a
killing
lot
and
when you back in the
prison
time when there were no
stories.
Netflix is like Criminal Mind, this type of things.
I love anything with detective
I
and
remember
solving
it was
crime.
it was similar in France. Now it's not the case, but some years ago, you can see the hype about all of this. It's like every day on the regular channel, you have either like Criminal Mind or NCIS Miami or then Manhattan.
Yeah, but now
and all
Netflix
of
come
these
and take
things.
over, so people don't really watch regular TV program anymore.
Yeah, but they
Everything is
change.
moving
They
to
put something
Netflix
different
now.
from the regular TV.
Yeah, Netflix is the best thing ever happened to TV. You have so many options of so many things. I love watch more reality TV than anything.
She does.
Anything about true story, that's me.
Well,
Anyway.
Anyway, guys, so this is the end of today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you take it, give it a thumbs up, comment down. Don't forget to catch up, to keep up, to pops up, to whatever. And we love
See
you.
you guys tomorrow.
I will see
To
you guys
pop
tomorrow.
up.
Pop up. pop up like popcorn.
The kids had popcorn today.
Again.
Again?
I thought I have this big box on Sunday.
That was Tyler. Where was Sarah and all of that?
Well, you can give popcorn to Sarah and
No,
Tyler.
you can't give one to one
Pop.
and don't give it to the other.
Don't forget to come back.